vibes from the new office. We're outside right now. We're going to be moving in starting tomorrow. Just getting some final touches, final furnitures, final pieces of moving into the new office squared away today. And let's talk markets. So we've been rather bearish, rather fading the rally the past week, 2 weeks, maybe even 3 weeks if you want to go that deep. We rode the wave. We didn't like the wave, and then at some point we really started to begin to sell and go super short. And we had our flush out last Friday. So where does that leave us today? And are we sticking with that position? Well, the short answer is yes, we are. And when the market poked into the green today, we actually went short again. So we had a ton of shorts on last week. Friday, we had a bunch of stuff expiring Friday. We sold it all. We've still got some stuff going out into October. We've still got our rate shorts, which are more long-term positions. We're going to continue to hold those. But we're not buying yet. We're not buying yet. We will buy. We have some cash. We are long-term investors. We want to go long stocks. We believe in stocks. But we also don't want to fight the Fed. The Fed has given us a tremendous rally. They gave us the tremendous rally of last year. And now they're taking the punch bowl away. And the people who say, oh, the Fed's not going to do this or, it doesn't matter, just buy stocks. Well, they're all fighting the Fed. And we're not doing that. The Fed has also, yes, they gave us that rally in the past 2 years. They also have given us the second worst decline to start the year in the history of the stock market. So the Fed is powerful and we're going to respect them. We're not going to, disrespect their words. We're going to go with what they say because obviously it's very powerful in both directions. We can make, value judgments about what they're doing. That's part of these videos, but the point I'm trying to make here is you don't ignore the Fed. And we saw what happened yesterday, or Friday rather, and the market's reaction to that. So we're not fighting the Fed. We're sticking with what the Fed says. And Kashkari, formerly the most dovish member of the Fed, today said he liked the reaction of Friday, that the market was finally beginning to react to what they have been trying to convey, what is the reality, et cetera, their desire to suppress inflation. So, again, don't fight the Fed. They're telling you they are happy when they see the stock market down 3+%. It's not concerning them. People were saying, oh, the Fed's going to have to pivot. Guess what? They want a crash. So what are we doing? We're playing a bit of a pullback. We are not going super long tech. We're not saying, oh, the bottom is here. We're at the bottom. We're not convinced of that. Maybe the absolute lows are in. Maybe we got those June 16th. But that's still unclear. We're not committed to that. We're going to see how things develop. We're going to see how things play out. We're going to be defensive, and we're going to be aggressive on the downside. So we're seeing what happens. We're not going long yet. We can be green tomorrow. It's not going to really make a big decision. We're not going to fight the Fed. We're going to wait until the Fed is starting to see inflation at 2%. We're starting to see inflation at 2%. I know a bunch of people say peak inflation. Well, guess what? Those people have been I don't know what it is. It's like a parrot. They've been saying the same thing over and over again. They've just been saying the same thing over and over again. Peak inflation for several months. Now they're saying peak inflation. Now they got their first report. Okay, maybe they're right. But look at oil prices up today, 4%. Let's just see how things play out. No rush, okay? No rush for me. You'll know when I'm changing tune. I'll make these videos telling you I'm changing tune. Right now I'm not. Right now I'm just continuing to add to the downside when the opportunity presents itself. So I'm always looking. I'm looking 24/7 pretty much. During the day, it's all I'm doing is looking. Seeing every single headline. A lot of the headlines. I'm not going to commit to absolute perfection, but a lot. And I'm adapting, and I'll mention some adaptations that come about as they come about. So that's today's video. Feel free to ask any questions. I'm here to answer any and all questions. And until next time, peace out.